Our off-campus learning framework has been carefully developed to guide Perth College families. Whether your daughter is in pre-kindy all the way through to Year 12, this framework contains important information and support for both their academic learning and well-being. The homepage consists of some important contacts, including if you are having technical difficulties or who to contact if you're worried about your daughter. It also includes some frequently asked questions. And down the bottom, a short video highlighting some important digital privacy, safety and security points, as well as an amended network access policy. We recommend that you read this with your daughters. The tiles at the top of the page are your navigation buttons, and you'll find these at the bottom of each subsequent page. The daily routines will take you to the recommended structure of the day for each year level. This is an example of the Year 7 daily routine. The junior school and senior school buttons will direct you to all you need to know about how off-campus learning will work in the two sub-schools, including guidance on the various platforms and online programs that will be utilised. We understand that the transition to off-campus learning may be challenging for families. The wellbeing space, which will be frequently updated, is devoted to providing information, activities and challenges, as well as support to stay connected as a community. It is broken into 3 sections, including the Staying Active page, which has been developed by our amazing physical education department, our pastoral page, which has support from both the chaplain and counselling and psychology team, and our Inside Out space, which has an array of wellbeing information and services and support for your families. That was a quick whirlwind tour, and I encourage you to browse through the framework, and if there is anything that you're unclear about, please contact your relevant head of school. Happy learning.